access comes over the horizon. It is an experiment. There is the static, and let's all cross our fingers and hope for a successful contact. Thank you for your patience and your attendance.
We have just a couple more minutes here, as you can see. And we're going to make sure the antenna is moved correctly, and it actually has to go into flip mode so it can pass through what would be north, but it has a north stop. This rotator does, so it's going to flip, so it actually thinks it's south, and it'll be pointing north. So Chuck's going to make sure that happens correctly, and it's starting to move now. Actually, minus 4.7 degrees, so a little more than 4 degrees below the horizon right now. I won't call for it until the antenna is pointing to it. Martha said, yeah, if you're out there, you can see the antenna actually moving right now. Okay, antenna's looking good. We're just about here. In A1SS, Whiskey Alpha 4, Mike Alpha Sierra. In A1SS, this is Whiskey Alpha 4, Mike Sierra Alpha. Over. In A1SS, this is Whiskey Alpha 4, Mike Sierra Alpha, calling for a scheduled contact. In A1SS, this is Whiskey Alpha 4, Mike Sierra Alpha. Thank you very much. In A1SS, stand by for the students.
This is Kevin. How many times have you been around the Earth? Over.
Speaking for Kevin, how many times have you been around the Earth? Over.
That's a good question. That's about 16 times 150.
This is Will. How long has the space station been in orbit? Over.
The space station has been in orbit and people have been on board since November of 2001. Over.
This is John Keeley. Did you get to see the Tesla Roadster when it was flown into space? Over.
I did not see it in person by looking out the window, but I did have a video sent up on the uplink and I saw it on TV. Over.
This is Josh, KM4 and BK. I am asking this question on behalf of Bethany in Broadstairs, England. Do you hear the sound of space debris or micrometeorites hitting outside the ISS? Over.
Well, hearty thank you to our brothers and sisters in England and for participating with us today. Thank you. We do not hear the space debris or micrometeorites hitting the outside of the station on a normal basis. I suppose if they were big enough we could, but typically we do not. Over.
This is Lauren asking a question for Ellie. How long does it take to get to the space station and back? Over.
We have launched and rendezvoused in 6 to 8 hours as the quickest yet, and it takes about the same to get back.
This is Tyler asking a question for William. Have you done any experiments that were part of the Toys in Space project? Over.
I have not done any experiments that were part of Toys in Space, but we have a whole compartment full of the toys that we play with frequently, such as gyros and little cups and little beads inside tubes. Over.
This is Drew, KK4WH, asking a question for Jonathan. Are you growing plants in space? Over.
We are growing plants in space. I spent some time growing lettuce, and I actually harvested and ate the lettuce that was delicious. And right now we are currently germinating and growing grass. Over.
This is Lydia, and this question is from Cecilia in Broadstairs, England. What is the most interesting experiment that you are involved in at the moment? Over.
The most interesting experiment that I was involved with is Apex, and that is where we grew lettuce from just seeds. We grew them up into big, grown, mature lettuce, and we ate it. Over.
This is Kevin again. Do the NASA dietitians plan a diet for you that has more or fewer calories than what you would consume on Earth? Over.
The NASA diet typically gives us greater calories because we work out a little bit more to keep our bone density at normal Earth levels. Over.
This is Matthew C. asking a question for Luke. If you could have any flavor or any kind of ice cream treat, what would it be? And would it have to come in a squeeze pouch? Over.
No, in fact, we have Klondike bars and Snickers ice cream bars up here in our freezer, and we have a couple of those a week, usually on the weekends when we're celebrating. Over.
This is Lauren asking a question for Shira. What is the weirdest thing that has happened to you in space? Over.
Well, the weirdest thing is I hit my head. I wasn't paying attention, and I scraped my head on the hatch, and I gave myself a nice little bump. Over.
This is Matthew W. Do you sleep with straps around your body? Over.
No, I do not. I have a sleeping bag that I crawl into and I zip it up, and that keeps me from floating around. The sleeping bag is lightly strapped to the wall so that I don't float away. Over.
This is Josh again. This question is from Isabel in Broadstairs, England. What is the most difficult part of your training as an astronaut? Over.
The most difficult part of the training as an astronaut is the multiple disciplines that we have to perfect, we have to be good at. There's an awful lot to know, and there's an awful lot to be good at. Over.
This is Drew again. Have you met any of the Mercury, Gemini, or Apollo astronauts? Over.
I have. I've met several of them. They're all great folks, and they have some really good stories. Over.
This is Tyler again. What was your motivation to go and to be an astronaut? Over.
When I was growing up, I saw our country walk on the moon, and that got it inspired me to be interested in the area of space travel, and it was very exciting. Over.
This is Josh again, asking this question for Max. How do you scrub CO2 in space? Over.
Well, we have systems that bring in the air, and then they scrub it to take out the CO2 with filters. And then they spit out the clean oxygen in the clean air into the cabin. And those systems are running 24/7.
This is Lydia again. What's your advice to people dreaming of becoming involved in NASA space programs? Over.
My advice is to get a really good education. Find a good STEM-type discipline that you want to be involved in. Work really hard at it and be good at it. And we would love for you to come be part of our family. Over.
This is Lauren. How old were you when you got your call signed? Over.
I think I was 28 years old. Over.
This is Luke. Did you watch the Super Bowl? Over.
We did watch the Super Bowl. We that day, so we had to work. But then as we floated by, we were able to take a look. Over.
This is Matthew C. again. What has been your favorite pastime on the ISS? Why is it so special to you? Over.
My favorite pastime is communicating with the folks on the Earth because it gives me a few moments to tell them what I see, how I feel, and how beautiful the Earth looks from up in space. Over.
This is Josh again, asking this question for William. Are there different climate conditions such as temperature and humidity in different rooms on the ISS? Over.
They can make different settings and different modules that we have, but they're all interconnected, so they all kind of tend to hover around the same humidity, the same CO2 levels, and the same temperature. But you can see differences if you push, say for example, Columbus's cooling systems and HVAC systems. If you push them really hard, then you will see slightly different numbers as opposed to what we see in the lab. Over.
This is Drew again. This is a question from a Purdue grad on our ham radio support team. What memory of Purdue sticks in your mind? Over.
Go ahead and try it again.
We have a Purdue grad on our ham radio support team, and we want to know what memory of Purdue sticks in your mind.
I'm sorry, folks, there's almost the signal on the left of the signal now. I just want to thank you, Will Springs Academy, for being on board with me today. You made my day.